Welcome everybody with our channel and part 2 of Personal Protective Equipment, PPE, series. Firstly, if there is your first time with our channel, kindly subscribe, like, and activate the bell. Our topic today is head protection. Why we need head protection. A head injury can impair an employee for life, or it can be fatal. Wearing a safety helmet or hard hat is one of the easiest ways to protect an employee's head from injury. Hard hats can protect employees from impact and penetration hazards as well as from electrical shock and burn hazards. Furthermore, employers must ensure that their employees wear head protection if objects might fall from above and strike them on the head. They might bump their heads against fixed objects, such as exposed pipes or beams. Or there is a possibility of accidental head contact with electrical hazards. Head protection must comply with the following requirements. Resist penetration by objects. Absorb the shock of a blow. Be water resistant and slow burning. Have clear instructions explaining proper adjustment and replacement of the suspension and headband. And comply with the relevant standard. As per OSHA head protection, PPE should be comply with the following standard. ANSI Z89.1-1986. Search for this standard in your hard hat or helmet. There are three main classes of head protection equipment. Class A hard hats, or the general type. It provide impact and penetration resistance along with limited voltage protection, up to 2200 volts. Class B hard hats, of the electrical type, provide the highest level of protection against electrical hazards, with high voltage shock and burn protection, up to 20,000 volts. Class B also provide protection from impact and penetration hazards by flying, falling objects. Class C hard hats, or the conductive type, provide lightweight comfort and impact protection but offer no protection from electrical hazards. Another class of protective headgear on the market is called a bump hat, designed for use in areas with low head clearance. What is the components of the helmet? The hard hat is made up of three parts: shell, lining, lower band. Head protection considerations. It must fit appropriately on the body and for the head size of everyone. It allows for other accessories like earmuff. Periodic cleaning and inspection is a must. Refer to the manufacturer information and instructions. Do not store protective headgear in direct sunlight or any heat source. Hard hats with any of the following defects should be removed from service and replaced if shell got preformation, shell cracked, or shell deformity. Always replace a hard hat if it sustains an impact, even if damage is not noticeable. Also, the helmets should be removed from service and replaced if there is indication of exposure of the brim or shell to heat, chemicals or ultraviolet light and other radiation. In addition to a loss of surface gloss, such signs include chalking or flaking. Helmet's expiry date. While OSHA has no specific provision for an expiration date, manufacturers are allowed to determine if their equipment expires on a specific calendar date. In lieu of an expiration date, a generally accepted rule is to replace the support strap yearly and to replace the hard hat every 5 years. Harsh chemicals and extreme temperatures can make a hard hat degrade more quickly. Be sure to check with the manufacturer for guidelines on hard hat replacement and maintenance. Now there is something very important to know: how we know the helmet production date. If you look at the photo in the above part, this example shown a cap was molded on January 3, 2006. On the down part showing that a cap that was molded on July 7, 2001. Contact us with these platforms anytime. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, press like, subscribe our channel, and activate the bell to receive news and updates.